do you have any like story where you actually felt like this was the moment, or this was one moment where I actually felt like integration, I fell in love, or you just felt like this was a small crush
With integration,
with
Yes.
integration?
that's a tricky one as well. But
Yeah.
it's when I realized that I can replace systems without, in the beginning it was like, okay, we're going to build those integrations,
Mm.
Mm.
and that was just like, let's do it. But when I realized that, in, if you have the right integration strategy,
Mm.
Mm.
then you can feed multiple systems.
Mm.
Maybe not right now, but it's a way for you to subscribe or send the same data to others.
Mm.
And that, yeah, when I started to work with a company that, pushed out, social on social media. So
Mm.
when we had something that, something like a git commit, or something,
Mm.
Yeah.
like some kind of event, which we pushed into, Facebook.
Mm.
Mm.
And when it was time to go into, LinkedIn,
Mm.
then we needed to create, a direct connection from the application,
Mm.
because that was point to point integrations.
Mm.
And that was like the moment where I realized, yeah, that's the beauty of it,
Mm.
to be able to decouple, and, or not let our applications basically know where they are sending data to in the end.
Mm.
That's my kind of it. Yeah.
They're sending data somewhere, and whoever picks it up, and you can also add subscribers
Yeah.
whenever. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I can choose who I want to listen and who I want to start work with, and tomorrow we can stop listening to each other, and then I can just start and use a new system. I really like your metaphor there.
Yeah.
You can it's a more, you have more power in your hand when you are using the right integration,
Mm.
because
Mm.
you can just simply say I switch this to this system without doing like, yeah, it's
We actually, I'm not gonna talk about my love story since this is your episode, but I have a similar one where actually one thing happened. I mean, not happened, but it is just the requirements changed mid project, and I was so glad that the strategy
Mm.
was like having a topic where we could actually
Yeah.
mm,
to
Yeah.
spread this. You know, I just, yeah, no problem. I'm just gonna add this a subscriber, no problem. And
Exactly.
I felt that felt like magic in when I talked about it in the meeting where it actually happened. Was like, really? Is it just that? Yeah, no
yes,
Mm.
problem.
it works.
Yeah, but I think that's the beauty. And also you're talking about, just, mid project the requirement changed. And I think that is the beauty of it. And I think it's like this: the same type of data creates one value here and one value here. So we, with the same with the same, investment, or the same, data, we can create multiple values. And
Yeah,
that's
that's really
that,
That
yeah.
is a love story.
create a multiple value.